Garage mechanic repair cars.
Oh, what happened suddenly? Oh, the tire has come off. The car needs an immediate help. Here is the tow truck. Very good. Oh, here is Dr. Sid's garage. Dr. Sid needs to find out what's wrong with the car. There is no oil in the engine. Let's fill the oil in the engine. Very good. Uh-oh, the air filter is totally choked. Let's put a new air filter. Time to add the coolant. Fill the water to clean the screen. Very good. Let's put the new tire. The car seems to be all right. You can take your car. Drive safe. Bring the car for the regular checkups. This will help you.
Yay!
Look at the little car. Oh, what happened? Ah, there is no charge in the battery. The car needs some help. Oh, here is a tractor. Well done. I think it will take the car to the garage. Oh, the car is here in the garage. Remove the car from the tractor. Let's find out the engine of the car. Open the bonnet. Oh, there are some toys and purse over here. Let's open the trunk. Uh-oh, there is no engine over here. There is only some stuff lying here. Let's remove the body of the car. There are just tires. There is no engine over here. Remove the tires. The engine is not over here. The car is an electric car. Look, the two batteries are not working properly. Let's replace them with two new batteries. Let's fix the car properly again. Well done! Join the tires. Lovely. One more. Place the body of the car properly. That's done. Remove the pulley. Open the battery charger point. Join the wire. Let the battery charge fully. Yes, it's done. Remove the socket. Close the charger point. Close the bonnet. Time to close the trunk. Hey, your car is ready now. You can take your car. Always check whether your batteries are charged or not. Bye. See you later. Oh, look, such a beautiful car. Oh, what happened? There is some problem in the car. Oh, the car is stopped. Here comes Dr. Sid's car. Join both the cars with the rope. It's time to take the car to the garage. I'm sure he can fix the problem. Time to check what's wrong with the car. Let's remove the body of the car. There's a crack in the fuel tank. Let's fix the problem. Need to do the welding. Very well done. Let's place the fuel tank back. Very well done. Bring down the body of the car. Time to fill the fuel. Oh, everything is done. Close the fuel tank. Aha! See you later. Enjoy your drive. Oh, that's Dr. Sid's garage. But where is Dr. Sid? He's feeding the birds. There is a garbage truck. Oh, the garbage truck is a bit upset. He doesn't like his job. Let's do some transformation.
Yay!
We will convert it into a dumper. Remove the body parts of the garbage truck. Aha! Good job. Lovely. It has transformed into a dumper. Now you can go on your job. Look, the excavator is waiting for you. Time to take some soil and put it in the dumper. Very good. empty all the soil here. Great work! Oh, why have you come again? You don't like your dumper job either. Let's transform you into a cement mixer. Let's put all the parts of the cement mixer. It's ready. Time to go to the construction site. Oh, a building is being built here. You need to make the cement. Wow, your cement will help in the construction. Great. Oh, the cement mixture is going to Dr. Sid's garage. Oh, here comes Dr. Sid's garage. Remove all the parts. That's nice. Do it carefully. Good job. Well done. Let's transform it into a crane. That's perfect. Good job. Well done. Well done. That's perfect. That's perfect. Hey, the crane is ready. The crane has to repair a road. Let's proceed. Oh, the road is broken here. Time to repair it. Be careful. Well done. Place the block of road properly. That's perfect. You're going good. Hey, it's done. Time to go. Bye. Oh, here comes Dr. Sid's garage. Uh-oh, so much garbage. Put it in the bin. Wow. You're going good. Time to transform the crane into a garbage. Remove all the parts carefully. Wow. Well done. Do it gradually. Be careful. Very good. Let's set up the garbage truck. Yippee! It's done. Time to go and collect the garbage. Wow! You did all the jobs very nicely.
Yippee!